So let's talk a little bit more about this idea of being a problem solver. This is a way that we can be indispensable. We can not jump to conclusions. That's a really big one. Very often we go straight to that first opinion or that natural way of doing things that we've always done it before, right? So we need to not jump to conclusions. We need to not blame each other as well. Address the true source of the problem. So get down to what are we really talking about? We have to move away any biases. We have to clear any clutter. We have to make sure that we are getting to the root of the problem. There are whole classes around finding the root, right? There's a whole way to do root analysis. And so if that's something that you do often, this idea of having to problem solve, take some of those classes, become skilled in that area. It's a great way to build that reputation as a problem solver. We will learn to, once we address the true source, we're going to learn to examine some of the causes. That can be part of that root analysis that we can do. And then we can use lots of root analysis tools to help us along the way.